Today, China and the Philippines are the nations contending for control over the prized fishing grounds found in the Scarborough. Bajo de Masinloc is one of the oldest known fishing grounds of the Philippines from its awakening as an independent nation-state. Previously, it was known as the Scarborough Shoal, and published maps of the Commonwealth period even included Scarborough Shoal among the natural resources of the Philippine Islands, particularly in its inventory of fishing banks. It is an island which is located in the west coast of the Philippines, particularly in Luzon. It is a large coral atoll about 10 miles in width, triangular in shape, located approximate 124 nautical miles west of Luzon, which is in Zambales. Parts of the barely submerged reef are awash at low tide, and some scattered rocks from 0.3 to 3 meters high are visible from a distance. South Rock, located at the southeastern extremity of the shoal, is the highest and largest elevation. The reef encloses a lagoon that varies in depth from 9 to 13 meters, but with many patches of as little as 1.7 meters depth. Treasures that lies in the Scarborough Shoal are natural resources like fishes and coral reefs, natural gas, minerals, and huge oil deposit. China tries to justify its actions by asserting that it has sovereignty over the shoal, which it calls Huangyan Island. In April 2012, the Embassy of the People's Republic of China published the basis of its claim to Bajo de Masinloc through a paid advertisement in the local newspapers. As to the claim of the first discovery, China asserts that Chinese explorers discovered the shoal in the 13th century during the Yuan dynasty. But the Yuan dynasty was a foreign dynasty established by Kublai Khan, and China was at the time merely part of the Mongol Empire. If Bajo de Masinloc was indeed acquired by the virtue of discovery, then such discovery could only be in the name of the sovereign of the Mongol Empire. Perhaps it should therefore be claimed by the remnant of the Mongol Empire, which is Mongolia, not China. Be that as it may, as Justice Carpio points out and as seen on some of the maps in the exhibit, any ordinary person can see how tenuous this claim is. Huangyan Island never appears as such in any of the ancient maps of China even after the Yuan dynasty. In the map of the entire empire and frontier countries made by Quanjin in 1402, based on the maps from the Yuan period, the Philippines is included in the lower part of the map, but it appears only as a collection of small vague patches indicating only the largest islands of Mindoro and parts of Palawan. Huangyan Island is not indicated at all. The Republic of the Philippines states that Scarborough Shoal has already been discovered as early as the Spanish civilization. The oldest known map of the Philippines, the Velarde Murillo map of 1734, shows Panatag Shoal, then called Panacot Shoal, as part of the Las Islas Filipinas, or the Philippine Islands, which were then administered by the Spanish colonizers. Moreover, the Presidential Decree No. 5099, issued on June 11, 1978, claimed an exclusive economic zone or EEZ up to 200 nautical miles or 370 kilometers from the baselines, which includes the Scarborough Shoal that is 190 nautical miles away. DFA has also asserted that the shoal has been classified as a political subdivision of the province of Zambales, also known as Bajo de Masinloc. UNCLOS, or United Nations Convention on the Law of Sea, declares that a state can claim historical rights over the waters only as part of its territorial sea, but a state cannot claim historical rights over the waters beyond the territorial sea. With these given facts provided by the law, we can conclude that the Scarborough Shoal is proven to be one of the territories of the Philippines.